ratchet. Get her free. And we're back. After 3 weeks and $300, we finally got the right part. We had ordered these from Australia. As you saw in the last clip, things didn't quite work out for us. And this is a good lesson of double, triple check your parts. We thought we had the right part. It said it was the right part. Turned out to be not the right part. But this is the right part. So follow along as we install it, step by step. We'll show you the tools you need. Down in the description below, you'll see where to order these and get other things that you might need for this project. Follow along. To start off, get yourself a 22. Take off the wheel. Now that you have removed your wheel, you're going to take your T15 and you want to remove this inner liner. There we go. Look. Our cap. Look at that. Almost ordered one, but we found it. Our cap for washer fluid. Oh my god. Now that you have your inner wheel well off, you want to get an 18 millimeter. Preferably on a breaker bar. You don't know how this will come out. You just crank on it. Now that you have it broke loose, you can just get your ratchet and get her free. After you have taken out your mile-long bolt, now that you have your mile-long bolt removed, you want to come onto the bottom ball joint, and you want a deep 21. Okay, and you should have a nut. Comes right off. Okay, now that you have this bolt here out, which is an 18, and when you have this nut out, which is a deep 21, you should be able to just pull it out. Just hold it right there. That's it. Almost, let me see. Nice. Alright, you just want to slide her in. Okay, in order to install your new control arm, you want to put this side in first. Try to get your mile-long bolt in there. And then you want to turn the wheel so you can get the ball joint into its little hole. It's not that hard. You just gotta turn the wheel, kind of crank on this a little bit, and it will go in. Now that you have the main bolt snug, you want to go ahead and tighten this one down and torque it to 74 foot-pounds of torque. And then you're going to get your jack. You're going to load the suspension, and then you're going to torque this over here. And after you torque it, you want to also add another 90 degrees of torquage. We'll show you how. There we go.
Good.
Good?
Yeah, it'll work. Yeah.
Okay, now that your suspension is loaded, you can go ahead and torque down the main bolt over here and also give it another 90-degree turn. Yeah. All right, we're done. Easy job. It's pretty simple. It looks like a lot, but it's not. Trust us.
Yeah.
Here's the old control arm right here. Take a look at that. We really did need to replace the other one.
Yeah.
Take a look at that. Pretty
Glad we
simple
caught
job. Yeah. All right, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Check the description for some merch, all our social media. If you want to see more videos like this, more tutorials, let us know. We do have some coming. Some cool parts coming in soon for the Caprice. Just stay tuned.
We do.
Other than that, stay driven.